let's take a dive to Data Assets Monetization Aspects, and let's see how data valuation is performed. Data monetization refers to the process of using data to generate economic value. This could be through direct means, such as selling the data itself, or through indirect methods, which involve extracting insights from the data that can lead to improved decision-making and strategic business moves. Monetization starts with valuation. This is the essential process of assigning a quantitative or qualitative value tag to a data asset. The value of data, regardless if we are talking for a specific price tag or not, is always influenced by market conditions. Prices or the value offering of similar datasets provided by competitors is, of course, a factor. Demand for the specific type of assets is another one, and the value that the asset could have for different uses also plays a role, as different use cases make different usage of the same asset, resulting in different value generation scenarios. Of course, as happening also with other commodities, the value of data can vary between the time of generation, the time of acquisition, and the time of reselling. So how can we define or at least estimate the value of a dataset? Of course, this is a subjective decision, but first one needs to understand the potential usefulness and purpose of a data asset. Tools and methods such as statistics, key performance indicators, and dashboards can be used to gain insights and allow a data provider come closer to the understanding of the value level of his asset. Market dashboards and KPIs can provide information about similar assets' value and potential. Such can include the total number of datasets in the market, the volume of data transactions, and of course datasets quality metrics, such as completeness, uniqueness, and timeliness of the dataset. KPIs about transactions of specific datasets can also offer valuable knowledge, as one can investigate aspects such as the frequency of transactions, price trends, and evolution over time, percentage changes in price, volume purchases, etc., while visualization of the demand of similar data assets across different domains and industries can also shed some light. While there is still no standard way to assign value to a dataset, we can distinguish three main categories for classifying data valuation models. Market-based models, which see data value as a cost and revenue. Economic models, which target financial and public benefits. And dimensional models, where data value is based on different dimensions. For each of these models, there exist multiple ways to assess the value of a dataset. For example, survey-based methods assess data value using different dimensions, like operational impact, cost, competitive advantage, regulatory risk, timeliness. Others are used to easily present and convey the value of the dataset, such as data nutrition labels that can provide concise and standardized views of the value of the core component of a dataset. From a technology perspective, various tools exist. The ones that have been investigated and provided inspiration to the Pistis project include Eurekat's data valuation component, which addresses data value based on data quality and usability. The data pricing recommendation tool developed by the H2020 i3 Market project that assigns a monetary value to structured datasets by evaluating dimensions such as cost, data quality, consumer value, and applicable licenses. Saffron, a data value assessment tool based on the data value vocabulary to assess data value using dimensions like usage, quality, trust, and data management. And finally, KnowCenter's data value check tool designed to identify promising data-driven use cases using a cost-benefit logic.